nature walk and watch Sheraton Park. It's like it's a lot of trees. See that, and it's a playground over here, and we just having fun. And it's a duck like right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is. Wait, okay, let me check. Oh, now y'all can see it. Look, they can see it. All you have to do is this one. Now let me look up closely. So that's a duck, and we going around Washington Park. But it's like
we got all the way down here.
It's a danger, no swimming or diving.
Over here.
Keep off the ice. Chicago Park District.
Right here. Mommy, we got all the way
that look like
here.
It's like the water, and the water is looking it look gross. I don't want to be in there. But last time we went, duck. Oh, there you go. Come here.
What I say, y'all go right.
Okay, walk. Okay, I see it's one, but no. Okay, you see it. It's a little dot. Okay, it's swimming out fast. Let me see. Okay, now the ducks.
Okay. Y'all see?
Yeah.
That one time.
Oh, that thing.
That's
it was
a
a bird was just flying. Oh, look up there. There's some more birds flying. That's my little sister Mariah. This is Washington Park, Chicago, Illinois. And this tree just got on my head. I like boom. If we make a lot of videos every week. Oh, look at this girl, it's running. Oh, look at that squirrel. That squirrel want to be recorded. Let's get a close look up. Okay, it's running. It went up the tree. Like, I don't want to be bothered with no people. I see if y'all wasn't. Oh, we see a lot of stuff, like some flowers around it. I'm about to see what is that. What is that? Ooh, that look weird. I don't want to touch that. And when you go on hikes, make sure you bring off. You might get the Zika virus.
Mom, we are getting loud.
No, we ain't. Mama been around here for a long time. And if we don't want to go there, let's turn around. We about to go in the park. I'm about to get on the swing. Well, on the thing, you gonna record me, Mom. But so look at this girl's running again. You see it? And my birthday is coming up. I'm about to turn 9. My brother about to turn 14. And it's on the 3rd. His on the 2nd of September. And mine's on the 3rd of September. I'm supposed to be going. I don't know what I'm doing for my birthday, but I know I'm doing something fun. But yeah, skating. Tomorrow's my sister's birthday. Yeah, hello, Bubba's about to turn. Yeah, my sister Bubba. My sister sister about to turn 19 on the 1st. And this is weird of September. Like the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. It's weird. Look, my birthday on the 1st. On the 3rd. My brother's birthday on the 2nd. And my sister's birthday on the 1st. She about to turn 19. And I'm about to turn 14. My brother about to turn 14. And I'm about to turn 9. My brother's supposed to go skating on the 1st, cause it's like by our house. I live in 7612 South Hermitage. And my mama, huh?
That's it. All I have.
That's it. I have all for the nature walk.